Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVSAUDIO in Roselle, New Jersey. We got this brand new Nissan Titan just came in. It's Johnny's truck. He wanted to update it with CarPlay, Android Auto, and backup camera. The install went pretty smooth. There's one thing that gave us a hard time, but I'll show you. This is the original tailgate handle. Johnny wanted an original fit and finish, so he ordered the tailgate handle from the model that has the factory camera. Now, the factory camera won't work with the aftermarket radio, so this is our Rydeen camera that we molded into the factory bracket. It was actually pretty easy. It wasn't very labor intensive, and then we wired it up. Perfect angle. When you're backing up, you can see the rear bumper. Went with the new Sony 5500. He had this in his other truck and he loved it. We did the USB in the lower pocket for his CarPlay and Android Auto. What gave us a hard time was retaining the factory steering wheel controls. The reason it gave us a hard time in this truck, it turns out this truck comes in like 4 or 5 different trim levels. So depending on whether you have factory nav, no factory nav, backup camera, no backup camera. But after spending about 45 minutes on the phone with Jeff Smith from AMP and PAC, we got it to work. It turns out that this particular vehicle uses Nissan Altima harness, and programming it for a 2016 Nissan Altima, adding 200 ohm resistors, we got everything to work. This one's on its way home now.